snow and build it like a volcano around it. Took a container, mixed the washing liquid, some baking soda and food coloring, and build it like a volcano around it, a small one. And now I am going to add the last ingredient, which is vinegar. Okay. Water. Is it even working? It's rising. It is slowly rising.
Oh, it's a volcano. It's coming out. See? Wow, Havish.
It's erupting out.
It's not falling that way, it's falling this way. I think it will fall off the plate. I think it will come out the plate in the end.
No, that's okay.
Oh, it's coming this side, Havish.
It's coming. I think now it's going to fall off of the plate. I think it is now falling this way, and some is falling this way to fall like a volcano waterfall.
Oh.
You really like this experiment?
Yes, it's falling off the plate.
Yeah.
Hey, I had to turn it aside so the big puff and what all happened.
That's it.